Now we turn on the Wi-Fi on the clock and set on our smartphone the connection with the clock. Yes. Okay, it's connected. Now we start the application, and just for example, we load a file from the memory here. Now we take a look at the file. We have all the days with the time, with the date, with the clock on and off times. Now we transfer it in the clock using the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi turns on, and we have an indicator of the transmission in act. When the transmission ends, the indicator goes off, and a message says that all is alright. Now we can, for example, we can edit the time. We move to another day, and we add a time, for example, from 18:00 to 19:00. So the time is added. Now we go back. We save this new example here. Save. And transfer again to the clock. Now the clock has the modified value. We also can do some other operation with the clock. For example, yes, we go in the extra menus, and we can say to turn off or on the switch. Now it's turned on. All relays is on. Now the relay is off, again on, again off, and this is the automatic way, that's the programmed way. Also we can choose to insert as blocking code for operation, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, or lock the clock in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. This moment the clock is locked, and you can't have any operation. Now we unlock it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's unlocked, and you can transfer the time, for example, in the right way. Now we can save. We can look at the small instruction manual and just a few points for the meaning of the icons, and we can go back, and also we can upload the data contained in the clock to the smartphone in this way. In this way we read all the data from the clock into the smartphone. When the operation is finished, we can edit all the data from an unknown clock and store it eventually to our memory. Now we can store the data read from the clock in another file called, for example, test. Yes, and it's saved. Now, if we look at the list of the files, we have our new file test, and this is the contents of the clock. That's all for